Hello children, it's time for your maths class. Before we start, let us check your previous assignment. This is the answer for your assignment number 12. Today we will deal with different types of fractions, right? First one is proper fractions. Proper fractions have lower numerator than denominator. The numerator will be lower or smaller than its denominator, like this. Example, when we have 2 by 5. 2 is the numerator, 5 is the denominator. So 2 is smaller, the numerator is smaller, so this is proper fraction, right? Another example, 3 by 26, right? Here the upper number is smaller and the lower number is bigger, so it is proper fraction. Another example, 1 by 3, right? Achungzok atet zel khan, achungzok number atet 1, it is proper fraction. Then just the opposite of proper fractions, we have improper fractions. Improper ani chuan achung number lo lian zokang. Numerator is bigger than the denominator. For example, we have 7 by 2. Here numerator is bigger, so it is improper fraction. When we have 97 divided by 13, right? This is also improper fraction. Another example, 275 divided by 100. When the numerator, when the numerator, the upper number is bigger than the denominator, so they are improper fractions, right? Mixed fraction, ganti chuan improper fraction how he mixed fraction a hian da theni. Proper fraction how he chu mixed fraction a da thelawa. Improper how he mixed a kan da le omzia chu antina 7 by 2 he kan lo endanga 7 by 2 he mixed fraction a kan da don chuan ate ahnuai zok hian ahnuai zok number khan achung zok a divide nang, right? When we convert improper fractions into mixed fractions, the denominator will divide, right, the numerator, like this, right? Denominator will be the divisor, it will divide its numerator. So when 2 divides 7, 2 3 times 6, remainder is 1. So this will be taken up 1 divided by a divisor, a divide 2 ka atnoya is yakanga. So one we can share nanju to 3 1 by 2. Whole number lo om photanga hi fraction in the zom le hi tension the lo ni 3 1 by 2. Mixed fraction is rain a whole number hi alian de hikin is yakanga chuan to be 2 to be dot chuan a fraction hi da hey 3 le 1 by 2 a in zooming kan siatina. So this is mixed fraction. So when we have numbers like this, 3 1 by 2, right? So one fraction in the hand he bar fractional bar he pen, you will write with pen and your bare hand, right? You do not need to apply your scale and pencil for drawing fractional bar, right? So another example for mixed fraction, we can have 1347 by 60. These two are examples of mixed fraction, right? 1347 by 60. Mixed fraction now to improper fraction generally. Only improper fractions can be converted into mixed fraction, like this with division, right? Improper fractions so mixed fraction na idat hinga to me to divide tang ada na kutsu denominator will divide numerator at noizokin atung zok divide tang hetiang han, right? So these are the three proper fractions, improper fractions and mixed fractions. Next we will have equivalent or equal fractions. Fractions include the kantina omzia tulsu Here we have one example. Write 3 equivalent fractions for 2 by 5. 2 by 5 tan hian a equivalent fractions kan zong do na ni. So we answer to 2 by 5 fraction ne na include chia ma se number dang ni si khang ho kha pathum kan zong don ti na ni. Right? 2 by 3 ne na a value inang chia si ma se number dang ni si kha intinge kan zong. When we are going to find out equivalent fractions for any fraction, that fraction will be multiplied by 2. I repeat, when we search or when we calculate the equivalent fractions for any fraction, that given fraction will be multiplied by 2. So when we say 2, eng fraction po an equivalent fraction kan zon don chuan 2 in kan multiply nga. And here 2 by 5 equivalent fraction kan zon don chuan 2 by 5 hi 2 in a chung le hnuai hi 2 in multiply to panga chu a equivalent fraction pakhat na lo ni photang 2 in multiply ang 2 2 is 4 5 2 is 10, right? Hi 2 le 5 le 4 le 10 hi a include reng ti na, right? Chuan adang hi pakhat ni ta pathum zong ro min ti a question pathum kan zon don chuan he ta kan hu bo ka hi 4 by 10 hi 2 in multiply le le an include to wang khan mi hi 4 by 10 hi 2 in multiply le le anga 2 thawin 2 multiply vek angani then 4 2 is 8 10 2 is 20 ani kan nei ta kan question khan pathum zong ro min tia ani chon hemi answer to ber kan hu hi 2 in kan multiply le ang 8 by 20 kha 2 in multiply le anga to 16 by 40. So kan equivalent fractions the two kan answer the two 4 by 10 8 by 20 16 by 40. These are the 3 equivalent fractions for 2 and 5. I repeat, 2 and 5 ang question nila umakha 2 ini multiply nga to me answer 4 by 10 hi 2 ini multiply le nga to me answer 2 ini multiply ze lang. And then ang question in write 5 equivalent fractions lo ti chon hemi answer hi 2 ini multiply le nga to me answer to 2 ini multiply le nga ti kan question in zong tura adu sa dang chika atop answer ze kha 2 ina I multiply ti han I multiply ze nga you can get your equivalent fractions for the given fractions in the question. Next, we will deal with the conversion of unlike fractions into like fractions. I hope you remember what are like fractions. Like fractions are fractions, those fractions that have same denominator, right? And why lampang number in ang nevek how ka like fractions and yeah. Here we are given unlike fractions because their denominators are all different, right? Excepting the third and the fifth. They are already like fractions because they have same denominators. But all these 5 fractions are to be converted into like fractions means with the same denominator. And why number te in ang vexi a fractions value taxi law hian can convert donani, right? We are given 5 unlike fractions and we are going to convert them into like fractions. The first thing we need to do is to find out the LCM of all the denominators. I repeat, first what we need to do is we will find out LCM of the denominators, right? And why lampang ho number zong hi an LCM kan zongam, right? LCM zong dan ka previous class akan 0 to I hope you remember 3 4 8 2 8. You're in the rough column 3 4 8 2 8. Ito yung method kan, right? So what is the number that can divide this number? 2. 3 divide hello masi adang adang zong hi tu in divide the wangin 3 to divide the 11 3 in kan la nga 2 times 1 4 2 2 times 2 times 4 8 2 4 times 1 time 4 times, right? Then 2 3 divide the 11 kan la thalea 2 1 2 2 1 2 2 in a divide the wangin 3 1 2 1 time 1 1, right? 3 kan na wangin 3 1 adang to 1 ni taveka, so we can stop here and we will multiply all this. 2 into 2 4 into 2 8 into 3, we multiply all this. 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8 8 3s are 24. So the LCM of all the denominators is 24. So we write 24 here, right? So next kan ti le tu chu hang fraction zong zong hi a first fraction kan la thapho tanga 2 by 3 will be multiplied by some number. We do not know what number yet, right? Ihan space ida anga equal to itinga chuan tan fraction lo chhuak don ani chuan I multiply eng number in mo I multiply nga hi he LCM hi atnwai lo chhuak nge ngi turani ti hian if answer karon turani nang mani in solve zone huna po khan ti hian in zia kang a first fraction ke 2 by 3 langa engi mani in multiply do na a answer a chuan tan engi mani o mga atnwai chuan kan LCM 24 hi nge ngi don ani chuan ti hian kan ngai to ata ang 3 hian in number nge multiply se 24 lo chhuakang, or 3 how many times is 24? When 3 multiplies with 8, 3 8s are, it is exactly 24, right? So we need one 8 hi allow heta turin ni chuan achung po hi number in multiply nge 80 da vele to pa so I multiply ang achung 2 8s are 16. So our first fraction is 16 by 24, right? Next, het yang vek hian kan fractions zong zong they can multiply. Next, 1 by 4 kan na lenga 1 by 4 hi engemoni in a multiply nga number in ang, right? 1 by 4 will be multiplied by same unknown number, so that our in our answer LCM akhan LCM tho kha denominator and LCM 24 turni helai mu ang khai ziak zelang ani chon 4 hian eng number nge multiply say 24 lo chhuakang 4 6 times is 24 so me omzia chu 1 by 4 multiply 2 to 2 6 ve ani ti na, right? So on 1 le 6 multiply to 6 hami process kan in kan ti chho zelang 3 by 8 3 le 8 hi eng nge multiply nga helam answer and my 24 total chhuakang 8 will multiply with 3, so that we get 24. So 3 3s are 9, right? So next is 5 by 2. 5 by 2 will be multiplied by what number, so that the denominator is 24. 2 multiply with 12 is 24. So 12 5 12s are 60. 15 by 8. 15 will multiply with 8 divided by 8 and here multiply nga 24 kan law nei theng 8 hian nge multiply ang 3 8 3s are 24, so 3 15 3s are 45. Since alright, these are the like fractions for the given fractions. You will write answer here, right? Answer and I had answer is 16 by 24 will be written here. Then next 6 by 24 6 by 24 9 by 24 he and so on and why and denominators hello in ang taveka so one like terms like fractions and need in a 60 by 24 45 by 24. Alright, that is all for today, and here is your assignment number 13. This is from your exercise 4.1, again from your Galaxy textbook. Question number 4, all. Question number 5, all of them. Question number 6, all of them. Question number 7 and question number 8, all of them. The last date of submission will be 1st October. And when you do your assignment, please write the assignment number on top of your paper, right? When you write, you will write your name, and below that you will write assignment number 13, right? Thank you.